So people, thank you for watching. This is a short demonstration on how to use a Numatic scrubber dryer machine. In order for us to get the machine working, this little clip here needs to be lifted, handlebars moved to the top. Okay, so as you can see, there are a few pipes here. So one will be the waste pipe, one will be the clean water pipe, and this is the filter. In terms of our clean water, and as you can see, there's a little red leveler here. When that leveler floats to the top, it means the machine is full. This trigger here, the yellow one, we want to press that. That will turn the machine on. Underneath, we have some handlebars and we have some triggers. The red trigger is just here. We squeeze those in, press the button, and it should come on. So this is for the water to be dispensed. And as you can see from the bottom here, the brush is rotating, scrubbing, and the water is coming out. If we want to turn the water off and just use the suction and the scrubber mode, you press that. And now water is no longer being dispensed. However, the brush is still in rotation and it is still cleaning the floor and being sucked up after. Yeah. So this machine can be used on all hard floors, especially the polished concrete. Obviously, do not use any carpeted areas, hard floors only. Buttons, both triggers together. Again. As we can see, the water is being dispersed. And the slower we go, the better results we get. When it comes to emptying the machine, very easy. This waste pipe, as you can see here with the red top, runs into there. We just remove it, pop the clip off, and empty. Now, if ever we are transporting the machine, it shouldn't be that often. However, if we're trying to empty the clean water tank, the bottom tank here, there's a little twisty valve here. We screw the cap off and the water will come out. Very important part of the machine, the battery. So this machine is wireless and does not operate off of any cords. So you've got a battery in the back here, just under this flap, which lifts out. Insert, flat down, away we go. So this concludes our Numatic scrubber dryer demo. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video is helpful. If you do have any questions or you're unsure of anything, please contact myself or Elvira and we will point you in the right direction. But once again, thank you for watching.